When words fail, music speaks. Kalashore, Paiva Ramai, Nenio Nivipai, Wei, Hananio, my soe, Pubab. Lu Chahanja, Dini. So we was the new, near Payans, Ramai, Poumai, how is the hotel?
Hello. Are we guys feeling a little bored? Is the energy in the room beginning to dip? Before I invite the next the guest of honor, shall we stand on our feet and do some exercise? Yes? stretch your body, release some negative energies. Yes. And here's the prompting. I'll say hey yo, and then the crowd will raise the pitch and respond. Okay, all right. Hey yo, and then I expect the crowd to say hey yo. Okay. Are we ready? Yes. Hey yo. Hey yo. Again, hey yo, and then hey yo, right?
Hey you.
Okay. Hey yo. All right. Thank you. May you kindly take your seat. Thank you. Well, our next guest of honor is Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operation, Delhi Police. Before our guest of honor take the stage, apologies from my side. If our next guest of honor is from a tribe from Manipur, I would have introduced him in his local tribal dialect, in a fashion like my co-host has done earlier. But unfortunately, I think he is from Arunachal Pradesh, so they don't have a lingua franca in Arunachal. So very sad for the next guest of honor. Yeah. Anyway, let's put our hands together and welcome our next chief guest of honor, Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police.
Good afternoon to everybody. Respected President and his executive teams, along with convener Roland Rao, respected all the advisory board members, church leaders, and my senior respected today's chief guest, David sir, my colleague, guest of honor, T. Jha, and all the ladies and gentlemen. I cannot spell out all whoever are present here, and also all those pressers. Actually, I am not a good speaker, and I am not also prepared. In every case, it has to be a prepared actually speaking. Whether you speak, you dance, you act, or whatever you do, even in the examination, whatever, it has to be a prepared one. But in my case, just I am totally unprepared. Now, it has been a very highly honored to be here when my esteemed friend, my boss, he called me when I was on leave, and I told him it is not very sure. It was not very sure because our job is a very essential job, and anytime we are required at any moment. But today, I made up mind that I should be part of your celebration. And it's been a very wonderful activities and program here, which actually, instead of I motivate you, you have motivated me with your team's hopes and purpose. in the life we have, everybody has only one life, and it should have a very meaningful purpose. Let it be businessman, let it be bureaucratic, let it be all in the service like me and chief guest and also my colleague. He is also all in the services. And let it be even a housewife. Housewife has also definite role to play. Her role is such a, in fact it is a most important thing. We all come from mother, housewife, and her role is such that she will take care of all the health and hygiene and also upkeep of offspring and all. What I mean to say is that everybody has a purpose of life. Now that purpose of life should, which we call a success. Be you a business, be you a all in the service, be you anything else. It has to be a success one. For a housewife, the success would be keeping entire family in very promoting all of them in the good food, health, hygiene, everything. Then only you can step up. So that is a success. Now in the success, in all the case of success, according to me, success is equal to visualization plus positive thinking plus effort. If you have a good vision, you should have in order to arrive at success, you should have a vision. Just like a cricket player or a footballer, he has a vision to do a good batting or scoring ball, netting. And it should be followed by positive thinking. It should not be a negative. In that sense, the positivity is very important. If you are negative, then you can land into trouble. You will not be able to go forward. Then, having these two items, if you don't do any effort and dreaming only, if you don't put enough effort means hard work. Yes, my colleague sir has told you determination. All this all comes under effort. Physical exertion and mental system. So all these are because so you have taught me that you are trying to display that you have come here for purpose. So in line with that one, in the purpose we should have a success visualization. Success components are these things. Let it be student or district. Now for those freshers, it's a very good opportunity that this forum, Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me, has given you a wonderful forum to not only to showcase your art of introducing, but also how you just interact with us and all these colleagues. So this is one thing. The other thing is that when you are showing your unity and cooperation, I want to add here is brotherhood. Now, brotherhood would be when you have come beyond your village, come beyond your district or beyond your state, then come up to national capital territory Indian capital. We have multilingual and multicultural country. So as they are in the constitution written. So spirit of brotherhood vis-a-vis other tribes, vis-a-vis other people call it men and also. So this brotherhood is also very important. And I myself also from Arunachal Pradesh, and our working is such that we do in the horizontal way. For us, all the people are, equal. It's like equality before law. So unity and cooperation is a very well, and along with this cultural identity, these are very, very wonderful things. Along with this, what my colleague also speak about trouble shooting up here and there in Manipur also. So in the absence of brotherhood and humanity, it will not be a complete matter. So therefore, all this which you have shown up has given me an immense reach in my understanding, and you all have shown your unity, shown your culture, your cooperation, and let us have a very good humanity and brotherhood spirit. With this, life in metro is not an easy. It is a very struggling, very competitive, and very often it is very highly hostile also. And for that we are working very hard with the police people. And having said all these things, from my side, whatever possible, whenever need, I too will be needing your cooperation. And from my side, whatever we require to do, I will not hesitate to extend any cooperation for in a brotherhood spirit and all. And back to your home, your parent or your all kids, kings and all, they have a very high hope, high aspiration that my brother, sister, son, daughter and father, mother, they are here, and they will bring fortune, they will bring prosper and everything. So having that agenda in view, I hope that you will fulfill the aspiration of your Britain, not only your Britain, also your, district, state, and also northeasterns, then the country as a whole. So for the student specific, I wish that they will come up to like us, All India Service. For those who are having this engineering aspiration, wherever you are, it should be a success one. It should be a success one. So I don't have much to say. I will just I'll not take much of your time, as my colleague has said that you must be waiting for the other program to come. So thank you very much once again. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guest of honor, Shri Kime Kaming, IPS officer, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech, for touching on the themes of community cohesion and giving pointers to the freshers who have come to the city. Up next, we have a very interesting event. we have a performance from The Roots and Rhythm, Chiseled by Time, a story of Poumai cultural metamorphosis. Here's a brief highlight about the group. The Roots and Rhythm is a drama group. They explore the Poumai Naga cultural metamorphosis in the 21st century. Their work highlights the dynamic transition from ancestral, traditional contemporary life, examining how core identity evolves without being lost. Ultimately, the performance serves as a poignant narrative for navigating the future while preserving the essential wisdom of the past. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Roots and Rhythm.
Ancient art of friction fire making upholds a practice as old as time. Here, fire is born not just of wood and will, but of a life deeply rooted in rhythm, tradition, and community.